Mario's Plumbing. Mario speaking. How may I help you? Yeah, hello, yeah. I got a leaky tap here driving me crazy. Will you guys fix that? Yeah, where you live? Hey, hold on there. What do you charge? Well, a leaky faucet, you're looking at an hour or two, $75 an hour. Hold on there. $150 to put a washer in? Well, it might not be the washer, you know. Got to open it all up. Look it, buddy, for $150 I can buy a new sink. Well, why don't you then? You know what, buddy, I'm going to fix it myself. Fine. Suit yourself. Fine. Goodbye.
Huh?
Mario's Plumbing.
I called earlier about the faucet. Turns out it might be a little bit more than I can handle.
So, you finally decided to call the professionals, eh? I'll be around in 5 minutes.